Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to the exciting world of Annual Day celebrations. This is a special day to celebrate our school's achievements. It's a chance to showcase talent, appreciate hard work, and unforgettable memories. Good afternoon, everyone. I, Dr. Pawan Bhati, am here to extend you warm and great welcome to the 5th annual function of Milestone School. I would like to heartily extend my hearty welcome to our honorable and esteemed chief guest of the event, Ma'am Rakhi Rathod, respected teachers, most valued parents, friends, and my galaxy of intellectuals. Milestone School has aimed to develop groom the abilities, creativity, and hidden talents of young minds. And keeping this in our minds, we are going to present another annual day, showcasing the wonderful talents of students in this program, Tarang. The theme of the annual function is Tarang. The annual day helps the teachers to evaluate students on not only how much marks they get, but also how well they interact with the another environment. Today is the day of celebration, a day to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our kids, teachers, and staff. Today is completely yours. Today is the day of joy. It's the day to cheer with happiness, to clap with enthusiasm, and enjoy with great freedom. Every day, students, when arrive at our school, they are ready to learn, eager and with full of enthusiasm. Their energy and passion for knowledge never cease to amaze me. They embody the spirit of learning and growth. Today, we celebrate their hard work and dedication to education. Now, we are at the junction where a chapter closes and a new one begins. It's overwhelming that we now count 9 years from the inception of the school. What a journey it has been, with each year having its storms and struggles. I believe that our school is just not the place for formal education, but a space where students grow and evolve as individuals. It's a place where their inner potential is nurtured and where they learn the values of respect, integrity, and responsibility. In the coming years, we'll emphasize more on character building along with academics and non-academic achievements. Education is not the preparation of life, but it's a life itself. Like APJ Abdul Kalam said, the best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. As I look forward to the next academic year, I am filled with hope and aspiration. I am confident that our students will continue to strive for excellence, make the most of the opportunities presented to them, and make us proud with their accomplishments. And parents, your trust, support, and cooperation have been instrumental in our journey. Your belief in us has helped us achieve our goals and set new benchmarks. We value your trust and assure that we'll continue to strive for excellence in education. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the parents who have supported us in our journey. Together, we can shape the future of our children and equip them with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in this ever-changing world. Finally, to our brilliant students, remember that each one of you is unique and has the potential to achieve greatness and keep learning and keep striving for excellence. Thank you, and once again welcome to our annual day celebration. Let's revel in the spirit of achievement and look forward to the exciting future filled with endless possibilities. I want to conclude my words with a poem of Harivansh Rai Bachchan. लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिर कर चढ़ना न अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है, मिलते ही नहीं सहज मोती पानी में। बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में, मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू।